If you can write, you can draw.
Welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we're going to use the letter O, the letter D, the letter Y, the letter U, and the letter S, and simple lines like this to draw Kung Fu Panda. You see the letter U over there? And we're gonna start also at the letter D and another D, another D, another D, 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 circle. Ooh. Actually, let's do that one more time. Circle, ooh. Circle, ooh. And we also need the letter V actually for the nose. So we're gonna do V, V, right there. And the letter Y, but in reverse. So we're gonna go boop, 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 like this. And we are going to use the letter S right here. Whoop, the letter S. And the letter U is going to be used right here. Whoop. And then U, 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 U. And we're gonna do another U right there. And we're gonna draw circle, another circle, and another circle. And the letter U, but in this shape. And then a big U. Whoop, for the arm. Now we're gonna use these lines. A line right there, another line, another line, another line. We are going to do another line right there. Boop. And we're gonna do another line right there. Boop. And another S for the belly. Boop. Boom, like this. And we have drawn Kung Fu Panda. Alright, let's add some simple shading to make it a little bit more colorful, obviously. So the ears, they're actually color black, but I'm going with dark gray. Right there, the black-eyed panda. You can color it manually like this, or you can also draw the outlines in this form, as you see me doing, like this. And the good thing about this is once you have the outline closed, you can grab this color here and you can do katapim, katapum. You heard that? Katapim, katapum. Yeah. And we're gonna do it for the color red as well, for the cape. And we're gonna use the same formula. No! We're gonna use the same. Let's do it. We're gonna use the same formula. That is called. That's right. Katapim, katapum. What does that mean? I have no idea. It just sounds like something that is meaningful for some reason. Like that. And we have officially finished Kung Fu Panda in a very simple format, right? And there's no end when it comes to the level of rendering you can do, right? So even over here, let me see. Little shade right there. This guy needs to be brown. Yeah, so if you do like that, you can actually set this layer on multiply. Opacity a little bit down, and you begin to see that you can create slightly different darker shade to draw the shadow, and by adding the shadow, you add. Guys, I'm recording. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. This is life, you know. You're just recording and family do their things. Hope you understand. Now, yep, little bit of shading. Whoopsie doopsie, I forgot his finger. No worry. It's all about progress, right? Not perfection. So what you do here, if you want to select this same color, you hold it long and it's going to select this specific color. And you do katapim, katapum. Alright, now for the final part, to show you that I have drawn this using these letters, we're going to select the letter O, and I'll show you that I've used it here, here, here. The letter, let's go with that color right there. The letter D was used here, and then here, another D, another D. The letter Y was used for the mouse in reverse. The letter U was used for the ears, the arm, for the oops, this finger right there, right there, and actually the letter O was used for these fingers, and the letter U was used right here. The letter S was used right there, and some simple lines were used to connect simple dots, right? Lastly, the letter V was used for the nose, right? So we go. And the one and you and so and so. The letter S was this. And that's how we have drawn Kung Fu Panda Po by using simple letters O, D, Y, U, S, V, and a dash. Oh, what? Oh, you want to tell us something? What is it? Wait a minute. Excuse me. Paul wants to tell us something. I have a feeling of what it is, but then what is it? Oh yes. If you can write, you can. What is it, guys? Draw. Thank you. And 감사합니다. Email notification, not now. Boom. Signing out. Ciao, ciao.